In the heart of the Sperrin Mountains, there's a centre of excellence for the manufacture, preparation and maintenance of the ever-enduring Escort. C Bradley Motorsport can build or supply everything that a Mark I or Mark II lover desires from their stock of over 6,000 parts. Thanks to Camillus' considerable success in the Irish modified rallying scene, where he has won numerous two-wheel drive rallies, their engineering expertise is second to none.
The past few years, there's people all over the world just must be watching them, and then they're just thinking, they need one of them. And I'm sending bits and pieces everywhere: Australia, America, Spain, Romania, everywhere. We're sending parts from all over the world. The problem would be, I suppose, with any old cars getting parts for them. But most of the bits I have remade. We either make ourselves or we have people making them for us, and we keep everything in stock, which leaves it pretty easy for us to do.
Bradley Motorsport's online service is instant. At any one time, they are likely to have over 30 body shells in stock, 20 Quaife gearboxes, 20 axles, 300 wheels, 250 competition tyres, suspensions, seats, roll cages and thousands of minor accessories. What Bradley Motorsport don't have, they make. But the Mark II has come a long way in development since it was originally introduced almost 4 generations ago.
You could almost say every part on it has got far more development, and everything, brakes, everything has just got bigger and better over the years. Originally the BDAs years ago probably would have been doing maximum maybe 250, 260 brake horse, something like that. And now you're up as far as maybe 320, 330.
When you trade with Bradley Motorsport, you're dealing with a person who really knows what he's talking about. This is a man who not only helps to perpetuate the most loved rally car ever built, but also practices very effectively what he preaches.